Good evening, brethren from all over the world, brother Masons, whithersoever dispersed. I am Brother Danilo C. Rillera, member of Palayan City Masonic Lodge number 331, Masonic District R3, Nueva Ecija East and Aurora, from the Grand Lodge of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines. I just want to greet all brother Masons from Toronto, all members of One Mason on their 11th founding anniversary. Mabuhay po ang One Mason, and wishing you all many more founding anniversary to come. In behalf of Palayan City Lodge Masonic Lodge number 331, mabuhay po ang kapatiran, mabuhay po ang masoneria. Thank you.